Okay, welcome back to the second part of adding Clickbank banners to your WordPress blog using a text widget. So in the first part we went through going onto Clickbank, finding the product, finding the banner that you're going to use. So now we're just going to add that banner to your media library. So we've navigated to add new. We're going to select a file. We're going to find it here. I called it test something. There it is, so test MMA image. Double click, it'll load itself up. Just crunching the numbers. Okay, so you can see it's loaded out there. Now it's got a title, but you might want to change that to make it a little bit more search engine friendly. So you could change it to professional MMA training, which is what it's called on their site. And we've done that. You don't need to worry about all this other stuff. So the URL is there, we need that. So if we just highlight that and then right click, copy, and then save all changes. So that's now saved into your media library. Okay, there's our image. Now we want to actually add the widget and add everything on. So we go to widgets, and then you can see you've got your sidebar top, and in there you've already got a mailing list and a translation plugin, and you've got some AdSense in there, and here you've got the Clickbank banner that you can see there. So that there created that. So we'll just recreate that. Because this has already been done, you could just amend this one, and that's what we're going to do. So we're going to add in a new widget underneath this one. So just close that up. So we need to find a text widget, which is there. So we'll just add text widget there, drag and drop. There, you don't need to worry about a title. We'll open up that one, and we'll just copy and paste all of this. Copy, paste, and then we'll just close this one up. Okay, now at the top here you've got the URL of the actual product. So when they click on the banner, this is where they're going to be sent. So it's between these two colons here. Okay, you need to keep those there. So to get that link, you would go back to the Clickbank, and then if you remember, we clicked on promote, and then you can put in an ID. We'll do that again, test1. Okay, and then we'll create, and there's the URL that you want. So you just click on that, and then right click, copy, and then we just save that. Okay, let me just close it, and then go back to your widgets. Now you would, if you were adding a new banner in here, so not the one we've already got, you would delete that out and then paste between those two colons what you've got there, paste. So you paste from there to there, so that's our new URL that will go directly to the product. And then we need to put the image source. So the original, when we were in the media library, we added a product. We've actually got rid of that now. Sorry, got rid of the URL, so we need to go and get that. So we'll just save that quickly. We'll go to the library. We'll click on that image, and we'll just copy and paste this again. So we need that. We will copy, just update media. So that's, I'm going to go to widgets. Open that up, and then if you see here the image source, it's a URL again, so it's just between those two colons, so we can get rid of one that's in there. It's the same one as we're putting back in, but this is just for argument's sake. Paste, then you would save,